Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to uncover the spectacular potential of the Industrial Internet of Things, also known as IIoT. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you're going to want to stick around. We'll be diving into how this technology is transforming industries, especially manufacturing, and how it can boost your business with improved customer insights, enhanced staff safety, and increased reliability and performance. Sound good? Let's get started. Welcome to another exciting episode where we discuss the incredible benefits of the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. This technology is revolutionizing industries, especially manufacturing, by providing increased insight into customer behavior, improving staff safety, better protecting assets, and enhancing reliability and performance. Now, it's not shocking to hear that the manufacturing industry is the biggest fan of IIoT, spending over double the amount of the second-place industrial user on IIoT implementation. The industry has been riding the wave of the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, for years, and IIoT is a natural progression, solving numerous problems for maintenance teams within manufacturing. Several trailblazing manufacturing companies have seen a quick return on investment after implementing IIoT. They've undergone true digital transformation, reaping benefits in automation, efficiency, and customer insight. Ultimately, the data collected through IIoT helps these companies make smarter decisions that have a massive impact on the bottom line. Let's dive into these benefits a little more. Firstly, we have increased customer insight. An industry survey found that 76% of companies that have implemented IIoT now have a better understanding of their customers' preferences. They can predict customer decisions more accurately, which means they can offer more personalized products and services. Secondly, IIoT is a game changer for employee safety. Approximately 2/3 of early adopters use these tools to assess risks, leading to improved safety and asset protection. For instance, IIoT sensors can monitor temperature, pressure, or other indicators on equipment and send an alert to maintenance before employees are at risk or assets suffer significant damage. Lastly, let's talk about reliability and performance. About 60% of manufacturing facilities that have implemented IIoT technology have seen improvements in these areas. The ARC Advisory Group found in a study that over 80% of failures occurred randomly and were not related to routine maintenance tasks. But with IIoT, these failures can be anticipated and prevented before they occur, leading to enhanced performance and reliability. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the incredible potential of the Industrial Internet of Things and how it can transform your business with improved customer insights, enhanced staff safety, and increased reliability and performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your business, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.